How to harden your plants or how to acclimate your plants to the outdoors. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I'm going to be talking about how to acclimate your plants to the outdoor temperatures and the outdoor weather. If you're planting indoors or you study your seeds indoors, you want to bring your plants outside. This process should take between 7 to 14 days to make sure that the plants are acclimated to the outdoor weather. So you want to bring the plants outside, or say early in the morning. The first day, you want to leave it outside for about 2 hours. And then after the next day or the next time you bring it out, you want to leave it out for another 2 hours. And then just like that. And then after the next day, you want to leave it out for 3 hours or 4 hours. And then you want to leave it out for 5 hours. And then later on you want to leave it out for about 6 or 7 hours, and then you leave it out for 7 or 8 hours. And you want to make sure that you don't leave the plant directly to the sunlight because of the harsh ray of the sun. It might harm the plant if you just bring it outside and put it directly on the sunlight. So you want to put it where there's a little bit of shade and where there's not too much heat, hot weather or cold weather outside, so that the plants can get used to the wind and the temperatures and all the humidity and everything outside. So you want to do it gradually within the period of about at least seven days, but you can do it as many days as 14 days, so that way the plants are ready to get used to the temperatures and everything, weather condition outside before you bring it outside. Also, you want to make sure that you put the plants in a container or on top of an item that's going to protect the plants from other insects and other bugs, pets getting into it easily. So you either put it in the container or put it on top of another item or another block or something that will prevent it from getting direct contact with the soil. If you're putting them outside and there's a lot of wind, you want to protect the plants also from direct wind by putting it in a container or using something to block it from the direct forces of the wind. Putting it outside with the wind is also going to help the plants get used to the wind, and the stems are going to develop resistance to the wind and be able to survive outside. Like you see here, I have this on top of a little styrofoam container to prevent it from getting direct contact with the soil. That will help it from getting any pests or diseases in there before you start planting. If the sun is too harsh, you can use shade cloth to cover it, so that way it reduces the direct impact of the sun to the plant at the beginning of the transition periods. But afterwards, the plant should be able to adapt to that after a couple of days of hardening it and bringing it outside. After hardening it for, like I said, between 7 and 14 days, you can plant your seedlings into the garden after the last sign of frost has passed. Okay, everybody, that is it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.